Hello guys, today I want to show you how to calculate the length of strut, rafters, tie and kingpost in a heap. So we usually use a triangle to calculate this kind of a heap in a roof. So here we have R1, which represent the length of rafters, and then R2, which represent the length of strut, then R3, which represent the length of kingpost, and final R4, which represent the length of tie. So here we have the dimension that I have already indicated. These lengths, the dimension are in meters. So we have 1200 from here to here, and then we have 1200 from here to this point, and then we have a half of span of the trash from here to here, which is 2900 millimeter. How do we find 2900 millimeter? It is we get 1200 plus 1200, of which it will be 2400, plus the wall, of which it will be 200, and eve, which will be 300. The sum, it will sum up to 2900. So we want us to come and see how we always get this length. So you have R1, which is the length of rafter. How do we find the length of rafter? We come to our triangle and see how it goes. So R1, of which this one is hypotenuse and this one is adjacent, because our angle is here. So we will use cos according to our Socatua formula. It will be cos theta, of which it will be cos 23, is equals to adjacent, which is 2900 all over hypotenuse, of which is R1. So we have get R1. So R1, when now we come and we do a cross multiplication, we will find that R1 is equals to 2900 divided by cos 23, which will get to that one. We find that 150.46 millimeter. If we convert into meters, it will be 3.15 millimeters. We come to R2, which is the length of strut. It will be strut, it will be hypotenuse all over adjacent. So here it is, we use the cos. Cos, it will be cos 23 is equals to adjacent, which is 1200 all over R2, which is hypotenuse. If we cross multiply, it will get R2 is equals to cos is equals to 1200. R2 is equals to 1200 all over cos 23, which will find 1303.63 millimeter. If we convert to meters, it will be 1.30 meters. We come to R3. R3, here we find is a length of kingpost. How do we get kingpost? A length of kingpost. We come and see this is an opposite, and then we have adjacent, because our angle is here. So it will be, we will use tan, because it is taller. It will be opposite all over hypotenuse. Tan theta is equals to R3, which is opposite all over 2400 from here to here. It will be 2400. So if we do cross multiplication, it will be R3 is equals to tan theta times 24, which is equals to 1018.7 millimeter. If we convert to meters, it will be 1.02 meters. Then we come to our last part, which is tie R4. R4, the length of ties, it will be, we have R, which R and here, which it is, this one we have opposite or adjacent, of which it will be opposite or adjacent. We will use tan, because we have adjacent and we don't have opposite. It will be, and we will use for R4. So it will be tan R4 is equals to tan theta is equals to R4 all over 1200. This one, of if we cross multiply, it will be tan 23 times 1200. Tan 23 times 1200, it will be 509.4 millimeter. If we convert to meters, it will get 0.15 meters. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe. Thank you. So if we do cross multiplication, it will be R3 is equals to tan theta times 24, which is equals to 1018.7 millimeter. If we convert to meters, it will be 1.02 meters. Then we come to our last part, which is tie R4. R4, the length of ties, it will be, we have R, which R and here, which it is, this one we have opposite or adjacent, of which it will be opposite or adjacent. We will use tan, because we have adjacent and we don't have opposite. It will be, and we will use for R4. So it will be tan R4 is equals to tan theta is equals to R4 all over 1200. This one, of if we cross multiply, it will be tan 23 times 1200. Tan 23 times 1200, it will be 509.4 millimeter. If we convert to meters, it will get 0.15 meters. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe. Thank you.